Hello, English Go-Getter. Let's practice negative sentences in the past simple tense. But first, let's go over the instructions. So you're going to read the sentence, choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 5 seconds, and then the answer will appear. Question 1. The correct answer is letter C. I didn't go to school yesterday because I was sick. Question 2. The correct answer is letter A. Sarah didn't eat breakfast this morning. Question 3. The correct answer is letter B. We didn't watch the movie last night. Question 4. The correct answer is letter B. They didn't see their friends last Sunday. Question 5. The correct answer is letter C. Sam didn't play soccer last Wednesday. Question 6. The correct answer is letter A. Eric didn't buy any milk at the store. Question 7. The correct answer is letter A. Ava's mom didn't cook dinner last night. Question 8. The correct answer is letter B. The kids didn't do their homework. Question 9. The correct answer is letter C. We didn't travel last summer because we were busy. Question 10. The correct answer is letter C. Jonah didn't read the book for class. Hey, English Go-Getter, you're halfway done. What? Keep going. Question 11. The correct answer is letter B. Dan and Sam didn't clean their bedroom yesterday. Question 12. The correct answer is letter A. Lily didn't hear the doorbell ring. Question 13. The correct answer is letter B. We didn't open the windows because it was cold. Question 14. The correct answer is letter A. Hector didn't call his uncles yesterday. Question 15. The correct answer is letter C. I didn't study for the test last night. Question 16. The correct answer is letter A. Carlos didn't wash his car last weekend. Question 17. The correct answer is letter A. The teacher didn't explain the new rules. Question 18. The correct answer is letter B. We didn't dance at the party because we were tired. Question 19. The correct answer is letter C. My little brother didn't take his medicine yesterday. Question 20. The correct answer is letter C. I didn't have time to call you last night. Hey there, English Go-Getter. You did it. You finished the quiz. And how did you do, English Go-Getter? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.